First of all, I am going to tell you about I am from Hindi medium. I am from Punjabi medium. I am this medium. I am that medium because I am going to tell you everything. Okay. Some people are asking something like this. Can I learn English? Of course, you can learn English. Every person can learn English. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you. First of all, I would like to tell you if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment is very important for me. So today in my video I am going to share with you. First of all, I am going to tell you about I am from Hindi medium. I am from Punjabi medium. I am this medium. I am that medium because I am going to tell you everything. Okay. Some people are asking something like this. Can I learn English? Of course, you can learn English. Every person can learn English. It's not difficult. It's easy. Depend on you. Okay. Actually, without hard work we can't learn anything. So that's why I am telling to you hard work is very important as practice. Okay, without practice we can't speak English. So as I am going to tell you, I think you are asking to me, can you learn English? Of course, I am learning English and I am from Hindi medium because I have completed MCom from Hindi medium. So this times I am struggling for improving my communication skill. So today in my video I would like to tell you everything. How did I learn English and how am I learning English? Everything. Okay. Actually, when I went to the college, so I went to the school, so that time I didn't know English very well, but this times I am having the struggle. So this time I can speak well little bit. Okay, even that time I didn't have any environment and any person, even I didn't have any mobile phone that time. Okay. I asked every person, could you help me, but nobody helped me. It's okay, this is a my journey because I want to be perfect in English. I can't blame to anyone. Okay, this is a my journey, I can handle myself. So so that's why I am telling to you, if you want to improve your communication skill, so have the practice a lot. Without practice we can't speak English. And at times I couldn't learn English, I was not able to speak English very well. But this times, I worked hard. Okay, I worked hard for improving my communication skill because speaking English is my passion since school days. So that times I didn't, but this time I can. Okay, so even you can speak English well. Actually, you have, if you have passion and interest, definitely you will learn English because I have experience. So that's why I am telling to you, without passion we can't do anything. And sometimes I make the excuse because I don't have any environment. How to learn English because I don't have any environment. Okay, I know this is a your excuse who are making. Okay, actually every person don't have any environment, and that person, they person are learning English very well, and they are speaking very well. Okay, so I think this is a excuse who are making. Where are you from, in which you have studied, to don't have any environment. I think this is a not important. Important is because you want to be perfect in English, you are learning English, this is a very important. So I think I have two tips. Okay, two tips is very important for improving English. First one, listening, and second one, speaking. Without listening we can't speak English. And listen, listen English video more. Okay, and after that you can start speaking English. Have the practice a lot and speak daily. Okay, daily. And if you don't have any partner, speak with yourself, speak in front of mirror. If you want to improve, so you can use these two tips, because these tips, these tips is very important for improving English. In the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. So below the comment, because your comment is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.